What about your blind spots?
I don't actually know where the blind spots are in this car.
I could try and do a little demonstration with you.
Yeah, if you could.
I'll
hello,
open your
Milk.
window. Look a bit weird.
Because I can see all the way from my arm, all the way back to the back of your car in this mirror.
So you tell me when you lose sight of me.
Yeah, there.
There.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah? That's your blind spot. That's what you want to be checking before you move on.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now when you're on the other side of the road, your blind spot's going to be where?
The other side.
Perfect. Really, really good. So that would be the last check I would like you to look.
Right.
That's something that people forget all too often, and they're in the habit of checking their right blind spot because that's what they've done time and time again, because we park up on the left, but when they do it from that side, they're checking that and moving off.
I think a lot of people don't. Also, I was never told where my blind spot was in my first lessons and things. I was always told just check your blind spot.
Yeah.
And I'm like, well, I always thought the blind spot was what was being hidden by this pillar. And I'm like, but I can actually see.
A blind spot is what is hidden in the mirror, actually, because it comes from everyone loses sight of something in the mirror for a split second.
Yeah.
But you will lose sight of it, which is why you just want to double check. So yeah, blind spots as well, really, really important.